Viewers, welcome to my channel Electronic Secret. Today I have a Samsung 46-inch LED TV and I will show you how to open its service menu by accessing a secret code and how to do a factory reset of this Samsung TV. So watch the video complete to avoid any software changes, or you might enter a wrong key and your TV would be in unserviceable condition. So avoid pressing of any wrong key during the factory menu. If you do so, you will lose your TV. So be concentrate and watch the video till end. And if you like the video, kindly subscribe my channel and share it with your friends and family. Now viewers, this is a Samsung 46-inch TV. As you can see that, first of all, I will take the remote and I will give you the secret code to open the factory service menu. But before that, put your TV on to standby position. Then from the remote, press info, settings, mute and power key. I will press it without any pause. Info, settings, mute and power key. Now the TV will power on in the factory menu. You can see that it is showing option, control, service and other menu. So here are the model type and other things. You can see that it's model UA46C7000 and all software versions. Now in order to perform a factory reset, go in the option menu as option is highlighted. Press OK here and you can see a factory reset on the top corner of your display. Here viewers, you can see that. Now press OK here. Press OK here. I will press OK. Look at the display. Now it is again prompting, so press OK here again. Now the TV is reset to its factory settings. Wait for some time, then some TVs will automatically power on, and in some cases you have to press the power key again. So we will wait and watch. It's not powering on. I will power on the TV. Press the power key. Now the TV will come back to its original factory settings as you have purchased from the shop. So you have to again download the apps and